I will show you how to download WhatsApp on your computer or laptop. First, you want to search for the Microsoft Store. Then, open the store and on the search bar, type in WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp icon. You will see the download area. Click on the Get button. Wait for the download to finish. Once completed, you can click on Open. You can also choose to pin WhatsApp to the taskbar if you use it often. Right-click on the WhatsApp icon below. Select Pin to Taskbar. The WhatsApp icon will now always show up below. Now go back to WhatsApp, click on Get Started. You will see a prompt to scan the QR code from your mobile phone. Next, you want to get on your phone and log into your WhatsApp. On the chat menu, tap on the three-dot icon. Then, select Settings. Tap on the scan icon here. Select Scan Code. Now scan the QR code on your desktop. Tap on Continue. Tap on Link a device and wait for it to complete. It will sync the WhatsApp chat onto your desktop. That is it. Thanks for watching.